Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. If you're veganer, then I recommend to you that don't skip any single frames. Watch till the end. This video is topic about how to see comments on Twitter, and this is for veganer. If you don't know, then this video is for you. So let's get started with the video. After coming the Twitter homepage, you will see lot of posts. Then if you want to see comment about a publics, then press on post. After that, scroll down and you will see the comment. I think you guys get understand how to check and see the comment. Many of veganer don't know how to comment, how to reply, and how to use Twitter account. So if you get any help from this video, then please thumbs up, comment below down, and share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.